Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I'm here today because I want to give you something that I call the perfect webinar script. This is my framework for how I create webinars that sell. Some of you guys know I'm one of the co-founders of ClickFunnels. I remember when we launched ClickFunnels, I was like, okay, I need to create a webinar to launch this company. What am I going to do? And so I pulled out my perfect webinar script. I sat down, I made the slides, and this is the script that launched ClickFunnels. Now, since then, I've had a chance to teach this to people in almost every industry you can think of, from weight loss to couponing to making money to doing stocks to like every business you can dream of, selling soap, like everything. We've used this perfect webinar script to grow people's companies. It is literally called the perfect webinar because it's perfect. All you have to do is follow it and your presentation will convert, okay? Now, about 3 years ago, I had a chance to test this process and this framework to see how perfect it was on the big stage. I had a chance to stand in front of 9,000 people and deliver my presentation following this process, following this proven framework that works in literally every industry we've tried it in. And you may have heard rumors about this, but we set a world record selling more products from stage than any human being has ever done in a 90-minute window. And all I literally did was I just followed the script. Okay, now I want to give you access to the script. Of all the things I could possibly give you to help you be successful in your business, this is the one. This is the one that's made more people more money than anything else I've ever created. And I want to give it to you for just $7. Now, the first thing you're going to get is you're going to get access to this perfect webinar script. Okay, again, the same script I've used over and over and over again in every industry you can dream of. I'm going to give you guys the script. But number two, and more importantly, I'm going to give you guys a video I did for my high-end clients, walking them through the script, showing them the intricacies of what I did and how I do it and how it all works. Okay? And again, you're going to get access to this entire thing, the script and the training, for just $7. All you do right now is down below, there's going to be a link. It's $7. Okay? And as soon as you buy that, we'll literally give you access immediately. You can have access to the script and the training here in 15 seconds. All you do is click the link down below and we'll send this to you right away. And you can start learning how to use it and start using it for your business. Okay? With that said, I hope you enjoy the script. I hope you use it. Okay? I want you to get this into your hands because I know how this can transform your business forever. Okay? So click the link down below. We'll send you access to the perfect webinar script and the training right now.